Good morning, my name is Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. Today I want to talk about the Harley Davidson factory speaker. This is a street glide we're working on, 2016, and it's as we're doing our normal upgrade that we do. The customer chose to go with a stage 2 upgrade, which is Hertz Malay Pros, fits in the factory location, no modification, drops into the pod, you don't have to cut the pod. But as I'm disassembling the bike and taking a look, this is one of the reasons the bike sounds so terrible. So when we do the update, we flash the bike to get rid of the Harley EQ curve, give us a nice flat response to work with going into our amplifier. But look at this. This is their front speakers. Look at the difference between their speaker and the Malay Pro speaker. Don't judge them by the size of the magnet, because I'm hoping that's a Neo magnet, so it should actually have 10 times more power than the size. But look at the cone area. It's a 6.5 inch flange with a 4.5 inch cone. These are the only speakers that come on the bike from factory, so when you're doing 80 miles an hour trying to beat the wind and the exhaust, you have 4.5 inches of driver producing sound versus this. Not to mention that we added the Rockford Fosgate bag lid kit. Why would they do that? Look at that. A 4-inch speaker and a 6-inch flange on a motorcycle. So before it even starts, you're already at a huge disadvantage just because you have no cone area at all. Look at that. So between the factory Q curve, the anemic speaker, the lack of cone area, there's really no chance of this sounding good. And this speaker comes on all 14 and up street glide and road glides. This is what's in the front. This is one of the reasons why your bike sounds so bad, and you gotta come see us for an upgrade.